We're in the middle of a fundamental shift in personal and business behavior. The pandemic has made us much more mindful about where we go, who we see, and how we interact with our environment. We're scheduling more phone calls than face to face meetings and more video calls than phone calls. We are embracing technology greater than we ever have. For businesses and organizations, this means needing to adjust how we connect and build relationships with consumers. On the other side of this shift are new and emerging channels for reaching and engaging consumers. An incredible opportunity for connecting with consumers today are voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant have seen an incredible spike in usage, as high as 52% in the first half of 2020 alone. Consumers are using voice assistants for everything today: shopping, listening to their favorite books and music, controlling their homes, and in the midst of the pandemic, engage with their favorite businesses and brands. Recent studies have shown that as consumers engage with businesses via voice assistants, they actually feel an increased personal relationship with those businesses. Voice assistants offer deep and meaningful relationship building, automated and at scale. For organizations and businesses of any size, there is no better time than now to introduce Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant as an additional way for consumers to engage with you. Empower the community, differentiate your business, and build tremendous value for consumers. Voice assistants allow you to engage consumers at the highest convenience level possible. Imagine your customers sharing with you how they feel about that Blue Apron recipe while they are actually putting it together. Have you ever tried to use your phone with shaky hands after a tough sprint? Imagine if she could share how those new sneakers feel while she's using them just by talking. Imagine giving students access to their entire school schedule available to them just by asking. No digging through emails, fumbling through web portals, or endless menus in a mobile app. These are some basic use cases of the kinds of opportunities available to your organization via voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Now, you could choose to develop these kinds of voice experiences in-house or outsource them to an agency. Approaching a new experience the traditional way means you're dealing with the extensive process of hiring and managing engineering teams, managing project deadlines, and balancing unpredictable and often growing budgets. And that's just the voice app. What about an interface to manage and control it? You can outsource that too, but that only means more management, engineering, and budgeting headaches for you and your team. And what about the ongoing maintenance and hosting and securing of your voice app and participant data to ensure regulatory compliance? These are all things that must be planned for when getting ready to leverage Alexa and Google Assistant to connect with consumers. TrueReply gets you there faster, cheaper, and better with a no-code solution that brings your ideas to life on Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant in days, not weeks or months. No code means no engineering, no hiring and managing in-house or contracted engineers, no project management headaches, no missed deadlines, and no bloated budgets. TrueReply has powered over 200 voice apps to date, and we have taken all the building blocks needed for a successful voice experience and used intelligent AI, an intuitive UI, and an advanced feature set to deliver a robust web-based platform for powering all your voice experiences. And creating your voice experience with TrueReply is fast. Launch and test your voice experience in minutes, then go live with approval from Amazon and Google on average within a couple of days. TrueReply is not just about getting your voice experience live and accessible to users in over 110 countries and in 120 languages. With TrueReply, you get real-time experience management. Manage your branding, manage your messaging, your questions, your user flow, all in real time with instant results anytime. You also get real-time insights and data access with TrueReply. All the engagement data related to your new voice experience is easily accessible via your TrueReply dashboard, or you can export it to your favorite tools. Finally, and this is the best part, with TrueReply, you save up to 90% on your engineering and project management costs. Get your voice experiences to your customers, your patients, your audience, and your fans in the most efficient way possible with TrueReply. Check out pricing, schedule a demo with one of our experienced specialists, or jump right into launching your first voice app by visiting TrueReply.com now.